Sobrang sulit at napakaganda talaga ng ating Astrid model dito lang sa Newville Townhomes. Hi kakabsat, Diane Soriano here, your real estate mom. Here's the 5 reasons why you should consider Newville Townhomes. First, location. Newville Townhomes is located in Barangay Sanja Mayor, Tansa, Cavite. Along the highway lang siya kaya napaka-accessible nito pa Metro Manila. May sakayan ka kaagad at malapit pa ito sa mga kilalang establishments. Pangalawa, complete finish turnover. Complete finish na ang turnover nito. May tiles and partition ka na, may pintura pa yung labas at loob ng bahay mo. Literal na ikaw at gamit mo na lang ang kulang. May 3 bedrooms ka na, 2 toilet and bath, may parking pa at pocket garden. Third, you are in an exclusive subdivision. Yes, nasa loob ka mismo ng isang exclusive subdivision na may complete modern amenities. Matibay pa ang pagkakagawa nito, kaya safe and secure ang community. May swimming pool, basketball court, and even air condition yung clubhouse. Fourth, flexibility. Hindi lang sa ating bahay, pati yung ating payment terms. You can utilize any room for different purpose. Pwedeng gawin mo muna tong office, playground, or family room. And flexible pa yung down payment dahil we have 10% down payment promo on an installment basis pa. Lastly, financing options. Newville Townhomes has a lot of financing options dahil available siya through bank financing, Pag-ibig financing, and even in-house financing. Kaya you have so many options to avail Astrid model na swak sa budget mo. So wag na nating patagalin pa. Tripping na tayo. Contact me on my phone number, Viber, or WhatsApp, or leave a message on my social media account, but don't forget to like and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga videos. See you soon kakabsat! Salamat!